I was trying to take off the intake, which I got these intake bolts off. I needed the distributor out, but I ain't got the special wrench to go in there and unloose the distributor. Okay, that's one. Then with the intake bolts, I stripped one over here. So that's two problems. So I asked the mechanic to come and take out the distributor, which is just unloosen one bolt and remove a bolt that's starting to strip. I've been waiting. He been busy, been pushing me to the side. I'm gonna go to AutoZone or Advanced Auto and see can I rent a special tool to get up under there to take the distributor out. And as far as the intake bolt, finna go to the store, Harbor Freight, and get Extractor so I can remove that strip bolt. Alright fam, we finna get this thing going. Finna install the carburetor, the new intake manifold, the gaskets. I still got to get the valve covers. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna get the valve covers and take out the distributor. We finna get it running, cause as you see, ain't no carburetor. That's a 2-barrel intake. This original 350. And I'm finna get it going. We finna get this thing started. Got a strip bolt. Got a strip bolt right there. Try to get it off.
Like a camper, a small camper? Is it a punch?
It's kind of like a punch, but it's a screwdriver.
It got the metric. Come with 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, and 19. You probably read that before you heard me say it. It's a bolt extractor. I got a broken bolt. I'm gonna try to take it off. Okay, I tapped it on. Give it a turn, see what it do. It's actually working. We got oil. So this extractor really works. We're leaving that. Got the tools we needed. Well, 2 more or 1 more I need, and I'm gonna get that.